Elamvazuthi from University Technology Petronas, Malaysia. Today I would like to share with you our innovation known as i-laUREAtE. It stands for Integration of 3D Ultrasound Reconstruction and Additive Manufacturing for Diagnosis of ATFL. In terms of the originality of the innovation, we can state that i-laUREAtE is a system and method for enhanced diagnosis of ATFL ligament based on 3D mode for objective assessment of pathological conditions in ATFL. It comprises of 2D image acquisition device, 3D imaging method, and additive manufacturing device. In terms of the motivation why we started to work on this project, it's basically to look at the pathologies that affects the ankle. In ankle, there are PTFL, ATFL, CFL, and DL ligaments, and these are injured when inversion, eversion, or ankle sprain occurs, and this needs to be diagnosed. And in terms of the prevalence of this injury, we can say that about 14% of sports population around the world are affected by ankle injuries every year, and it is most prevalent in ASEAN region, which can be seen in these two pictures. And the current method of 2D ultrasound image has limitations, where some views are impossible to obtain, inaccurate quantitative and qualitative estimation, interventional procedures are difficult to handle, scanning is time consuming. And these are the images of 2D ultrasound image, where it is only can be seen by expert radiologists. So in order to overcome these issues, we have come up with i-laUREAtE, where in terms of the innovation, we have filed a patent, and we have also published about 8 publications, involves 2 journals, 3 book chapters, and 3 conference papers. Looking at the applicability of the innovation, we can see that the system configuration of i-laUREAtE consists of 3D eye, which basically does the 3D reconstruction based on the 2D imaging that is acquired using 2D imaging device, and finally it is produced as a physical model using 3D additive manufacturing device. This can be depicted in the product outcome here, where we can see the ultrasound image which is now processed using 3D eye, and finally a physical model is produced by the 3D additive manufacturing. So in this picture here, you can clearly see the 3D model that has been fabricated, where left bone, left cartilage, the ligament, right cartilage, and right bone can be clearly visualized. And the impact of this innovation is that it is able to reduce diagnosis time, C-plane is obtained, 3 perpendicular planes are visualized, interventional procedures are easy to handle, and it gives accurate quantitative and qualitative reading. Looking at the status of innovation, the status now is currently at TRL 4, whereby laboratory testing of the prototype has been completed. And in terms of commercialization potential, we can see that 15 to 24-year-old have high rate of ankle sprain, and about 151 million patients in Asia. So with that, we believe that this product has the market potential. In terms of social benefits, it is economically effective and non-invasive, easy and fast, accurate diagnosis, is user-friendly, and volume measurement is possible. And in terms of financials, if we were to market the 3D eye, which is the core of this i-laUREAtE, for USD 10,000 each unit, we are estimating that in the year 1, if you were to capture 0.1% of the total number of units that can be sold in worldwide, we can get about close to about 1.5 million USD. And if you were to increase the market size here, there is a possibility by year 3 you will be able to capture 0.5%. It's an estimated amount of USD 8 million. So with these financials in mind, we have identified a local business partner who's willing to work with us to commercialize this product to healthcare professionals and hospitals. So basically, the local business partner will work with original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, of medical diagnostic tool or other companies to produce and distribute this product. He is also will be working with international. This is the letter of intent from the local business partner. This is the letter that supports the local business partner from international business partner. And we have also produced marketing brochure to highlight the benefits of this product. And most of the information contained in this brochure is self-explanatory and has viable path for commercialization. So in terms of the way forward to market i-laUREAtE, we believe that the first 3 phases have been concluded in terms of the initial development, prototype development, and system validation at laboratory level at TRL level 4, and in phase 4 and phase 5 we will seek further pre-commercialization fund and hoping to launch it in phase 5. With that, I would like to thank you for your attention.